Hey guys, what's going on? And today we've got another tech review for you. I am unboxing a new keyboard. Why have I got a new keyboard? Don't ask me why. I buy some weird stuff. At the minute, so let me just let you know what keyboard I have actually got right now. I have got the Razer Chroma keyboard. I have had this keyboard for quite a while, and before my past, when I had another PC gaming thing, before I sold that, when I went to Japan, lived there for a year and a half, I had a Chroma keyboard Overwatch version with an Overwatch Razer mouse. So yeah, I had a Razer Chroma Overwatch version kind of thing, because I was all into Overwatch back in the day. I had the mouse, I had the keyboard, but now I've kind of changed the way I am. I have gone to like Logitech. So as you've seen, I've got Logitech, the Gpro, and I have bought a new keyboard, which is a 10 keyless. So yeah, it is the Logitech, I think it's called the Pro Gaming Keyboard. Logitech Gpro Gaming Keyboard. As you can see, it's pretty nice. It's 10 keyless. Now, you're probably wondering why it's 10 keyless. Why have I gone for that route? Well, you'll find out in my next tech video, and you want to stay tuned for that one, because I've already unboxed it, and it's quite decent as well. So, yeah, we'll do that next time. But for now, let's unbox this keyboard and see what it is like. Keep playing. Now, here it is. I'm pretty far away from my camera at the minute. I mean, from my microphone, just because I'm recording it on my phone, so you can see down here. But, yeah, you should still be able to hear me. So, we need to open these. Oh, God, why? You know these stickers, my God. My guy, these stickers are so annoying sometimes. Sometimes, you know, you take 17... You know what? I've got this nail clipper here. That helps me. This nail clipper is like a professional cutting material thing. So let's open this up. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I need to get a knife. Someone send me a knife. Someone send me a knife. I need a knife. There we go. That helps. Okay, there's another one on the other side. There's always two. There's always two. Sometimes you got to double team it. There we go. All right. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, which way? I'm opening it this way. So as you can see, it's Gpro Logitech. It's GX blue clickers, and it's UK, so it's good. I'll tell you what, the packaging isn't that great. Like, it breaks quite easy. Anyway, we'll put that there for now. So this is what we are got. It's 10 keyless. I've never really had a 10 keyless, to be honest. So this is going to be new to me. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh. I want to test the keyboard. I really want to test it. Oh god, I need to get it out. So we got a sticker. The best thing. Getting a sticker is literally the best thing ever. The G sticker. I've got two of these now. I've literally got two of these. I can put two on my face. So what else? No, you've just got the cable, which is normal. If I can get it out. So the cable, you should know this cable if you have a mouse. The same, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but let me just move it away. As you can see, it's literally the same as my mouse one. So it's literally the same. I can use the same thing. So that's pretty cool that it's the same. But yeah, there you go. That's the same. So yeah, so let's move this out of the way. Drop this down there. Boom. Look at it. Look at it down there. Purple. Now let's open this up. So 10 keyless, why would you get a 10 keyless? You're probably asking. To have more space on your desk, if you want more space. If you don't really use the number pad, then you can actually get rid of it. Or the reason why I'm not using my number pad, you'll find out in the next tech video. You might have already know now if you're on my Discord what I've got. But hey, this is going to be my new keyboard. And there's more sticky stuff on the side. But let's test it out. Let's see if you can hear it. Oh. Oh, them clicky sounds. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to put it up to the microphone. That sounds great. That literally sounds awesome. So you've got a light. It's not wireless, which I could have got for wireless. But the clicky mechanics of it. Ho 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 ho. I will love this actually, because my other keys, yeah, my other keys don't sound like this, which Oh, they sound awesome, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, they sound great. But you know, they do sound smooth-tacular. But anyway, guys, that is it. I am gonna test this out. I haven't plugged it in yet, so it has got some like RGB colors and stuff like that. But for the sound of it, though, like listen to it. That sounds. Ooh, that's getting my heart racing right there. Now you probably think, oh, but you're gonna hear it in your videos. Listen. If you heard this in my videos, that is just like an orgasm waiting to happen. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just I like clickiness because I feel like when I've clicked it, you know your brain like says, oh, you've clicked that button. That is great. I've had this Razer keyboard for quite a while. And it's been great, but to be honest, now when I put it on there, I have so much more desk room to mess with my mouse. And also I'm going Logitech, Elgato, you know, all the stuff that I've got at the minute. And it works great. So yeah, next video, I will do another tech video on another tech item that I do have and the reason why I'm not using the number pad anymore. And you'll find out soon. Anyway, guys, I will play with this a bit more and get back to you on an update of it maybe a month later or so. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tech video. The keys are great. It's using the blue clicky keys, I think it is. The GX blue clickies. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe and comment. You guys are awesome. And remember to join my Discord if you are a subscriber or a follower on Twitch. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, join the teapot. Join my new Discord server. Join it. You want to be a teabag? Join it.